Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you don't know me who I am, my name is Shania, and in today's video I'm going to share fashion hacks using only one white shirt. So let me show you. I'm using this oversized white shirt and I grabbed this shirt from H&M and the quality is so good. I will give the link on the description box. Please go and check it out. And as you can see, the shirt sleeves are too broad. I bought this for oversized. You can create for office day look, you can create for any casual look. So let me show you how I styled in so many ways. So without getting late, let's begin. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please do consider to hit the subscribe button, do like and share. So start करते हैं अपना वीडियो.
तो चलिए शुरू करते.
So first I'm going to style this shirt with blue wide leg jeans, as you can see on the screen, and this is the perfect combination, white shirt and blue jeans. I tried to create two looks with this blue jeans. So one side, as you can see, I just pulled a little bit deep so that it will gives me a V deep neck off shoulder top, and one side I just button up and hide my collar on my back. And yeah, I love this look. It's you can add some jewelries on. For the next look I have done, like you can wear inside a white tank top, or if you don't have any tank tops, then you can use your sports bra also, because that will be like so much comfortable for you. And as you can see on the screen, I also used one sports bra, and on that I just wear this white shirt, and this look is so comfortable for this summer season. I just created with this sports bra, and as you can see, I like feel so cool and it's totally comfortable for summer. And if you don't want to like fully cover your sleeves, then you can just fold your sleeves till your elbow. For the next look I have created with this denim skirt, and again this is white and blue color combination, which is really perfect. So here I tried with this blue denim skirt, and I have seen this style like one side of your shirt bottom part you just need to tuck it, and one side just leave like that. And I have seen so many celebrities have done this and they look so cool, that's why I also tried. And the next style I am trying like this hack I have literally seen on internet, it went viral. That's why I tried. You just need to wear the shirt from front side, the back part of your shirt, and you just need to tie whole button on your back, as you can see on the screen, like that. So yeah, it totally gives me a different top. And for the office look I'm using this pant, and as you can see on the screen, so this look I have created for office. And if you like feeling not good to cover your hands fully with sleeves, then you can just fold it up. And this look is like so comfortable. While I was trying, I literally like feeling that confidence. It will really boost up your confidence if you're feeling underconfidence. So I will really like recommend this look for your work days. And yeah, just go for it. You don't need to think twice if you have this kind of pants and shirt. So for the last look I have used this black corset on over the white shirt. As you can see on the screen, I just love this look again. For the next look, I have created with this corset, and yeah, you just need to wear your corset over your shirt, and that's it. It will gives you that cute look. I'm really feeling so cute wearing this. It's look like a dress only. Next look, I'm going to try this skirt. I just styled with this skirt, the white shirt in like a little bit other way, as you can see on the screen. Here I created 3 looks back to back. If you going to watch properly, you will get to know. Like on the left side, I just tucked my bottom part. You can leave like that, it will gives you that butterfly ribbon kind of style on the front side. And the next style is like this way. You just need to leave your shirt fully. You don't need to do anything, and you just need to hide your collar on your back. And the third look is you just like on the first I hide it like tucked on the front side, like so you just need to tuck on your side both sides. A different top look you will get, and this looks so hot and sexy with this skirt slits. I am feeling so amazing. It's so really attractive. So for today, this is it, and if you do like my contents, my videos, then please do let me know in the comment section. It will inspire me to make new videos, new contents for you guys. And yeah, please do subscribe, hit the like button, and please do hit the notification bell too, so that whenever I will come with a new video, you guys will get to notify that. Keep supporting me, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.